You don't have to get quiet just because I come over here. Okay, so I made that cool feeder over there, and it hangs, and the birds will get up on there, and the chickens will get up there and they'll swing on it and stuff. But it doesn't hold that much food, and I'm constantly filling it every day. So today I found a product online that I'm going to show you, and I'll put a link in the description to it, to hold a lot more food for these guys, to make them a little happier and to make a little less work on me filling their food up every day. So let's check it out.
Life was ordinary. Subscribe.
Okay, so basically I think all we're gonna need, I have to read the instructions first, is the kit itself, a drill, and a bucket. That's the bucket I'm gonna use. It's taller than a 5-gallon bucket. I have a lid for it, so it should hold a ton of food. Let's grab the instructions real quick and I'll show you. I found this on Amazon. It's very inexpensive. Again, I'll put a link to it. And it looks really cool and really easy to assemble. Here's your basic installation instructions. So use the drill they give you. So here's all your pieces. And they give you the hole bit to make the holes. So let me look at the instructions. We'll get it all set up. Okay, so real quick, basically how it works is these are just plugs that they're covering the holes. So you can reduce how many holes you want to open if you want. But I'm gonna space these, around 4 around this bucket. So the idea is you're gonna drill a hole. I'm probably gonna put it right about there. Well, maybe right about there. And that part there, the food will just siphon basically through the bottom and it won't come out here. So they stick their head in there and they'll be able to peck on the food. And this little cover here protects it from moisture. So you can kind of see from the instructions here, you're gonna drill your hole, installing the feeders, which will screw in from the inside, and you'll put the front plate on the outside. And then that's kind of what it looks like when it's done. Okay, so what I did was I went ahead and measured 4 3/4 inches from the bottom. That's basically where I'm gonna put mine. That'll give them plenty of space to get their head down in there and eat the food. Okay, so what I did was I measured 4 3/4 from the bottom up here on the other side, side to side. You got 4 of them. And it'll kind of center just like that once you get it in there. So I don't have a tripod in here, but this thing worked perfectly. Smooth as butter, no issues at all. Just put that drill tip on your mark that you're gonna drill. There you go. Okay, got all my holes cut. That was extremely easy to cut, extremely easy. So basically, this part is gonna go on the inside now. Just like that. And it comes with a rubber washer. I'm going to show you that, and then you're going to screw the orange piece over. So I actually put the rubber part on the inside, so I'm going to push it through and then tighten this ring on the outside. That's exactly what it's going to look like. Now let's put some feed in it. Went ahead and topped it off with some more food, so that's quite a bit of food it's going to hold. I got a lid for it here. I'm not going to snap the lid on because I want to make it easier to get off, but I do have a brick that I'm going to set right on top where they will not be able to knock it off. But as you can see, I'm using repurposing an old bucket. You don't need something brand new for this project. Let's see how long it takes them to figure it out. Chickens definitely love new things. Oh, there we go. That didn't take long. Well, that's definitely a little bit easier, a little higher off the ground for them. Hopefully the ladies will have fun with their new toy, which is also feeding them. Super easy to put together, super cheap. Like I said, I'll put the, I think it's 16 bucks maybe, I don't know. I'll put the link in the description and check it out. It's a good way to feed the chickens easily, and it'll hold a lot of food and keep it safe from moisture. So thank you for watching another video. Have a blessed day.